In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if a Gmail account is available. Have you ever found yourself wanting to create a new Gmail account only to wonder if your desired email address is already taken? Today, I'll be guiding you through a quick and simple method to determine whether the Gmail account you have in mind is available or not. To get started, the very first step is to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Sign-In page. You can do this by typing Google Sign-In into your search bar, or you can directly access it by visiting accounts.google.com. This is the initial page where Google will ask you to sign in with your account, but since we're checking for availability, we won't be using an existing account just yet. Once you're at the Google Sign-In page, you should see a field labeled Email or Phone. This is the space where you'll enter the full email address you're hoping to check. Carefully type in the exact email you're interested in, making sure there are no typos. It's important to be precise here because even a small mistake could lead to inaccurate availability results. After entering the email address, you'll notice a Next button below the field. Give that a click. This action will prompt Google to check whether the email address you entered is already associated with an existing account. This process is usually quite quick, taking just a moment for Google to verify the information. Now here's the crucial part. If the email address you entered is already in use, Google's system will move forward by asking you for a password. You might see some additional information, like a profile image if one is set, which is a clear indication that the account exists. In this case, you'll need to revert to brainstorming for another address or consider variations of your desired email. However, if you're met with a message saying, "Couldn't find your Google account," or "No account found with that email address," then you're in luck. This means the email is not currently associated with a Google account, indicating it's available for you to claim. Remember, this is the moment to act fast, particularly if the address is a highly desirable one, as esteemed email handles go quickly. And there you have it, a straightforward method to determine the availability of a Gmail address. With just a few clicks, you can conveniently check whether your ideal email is ready for you to create and begin using. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tech guides.